Do you want to be able to get the new Snapchat AI bot? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to get this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step actually is going to be to make sure that we do have the latest Snapchat update on our phone, and to be able to actually know that we do have the latest update, then what I'm going to do firstly is to go into App Store if I have an iPhone, or if you do have an Android, then just simply go into your Google Play Store instead. And in here we're going to search for Snapchat. So just search for Snapchat in here. So just a second, I'm going to search for Snapchat. So now when I have actually searched for Snapchat, then I'm just going to click on the app right here, as you can see. And if you do have this blue button in here where it says open, for example, well, that means that you do have the latest update. So that should actually, like, you shouldn't really care too much about that, then it's perfect. But if it does actually say update for you on here, so if this blue button says update, you need to click on it and make sure that you actually do update your Snapchat app. And now when you have updated your Snapchat app, then you can just go back into your Snapchat app. And then what we're going to do firstly is to click on our profile picture in the top left corner, as you can see. And actually, for this to work, you need to have the Snapchat Plus, just so you know, because this is something that right now we do have to pay to be able to access. So I'm going to click on the Snapchat Plus in here. Now I'm just going to scroll. As you can see, it actually does like come with a cost. You can either pay per year or per month, as you can see. So if you want to be able to access the Snapchat AI bot as of right now, well then unfortunately this is a paid product as of right now, just so you know. So basically this is exactly how to get the new Snapchat AI bot. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.